Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have the Jordan 1 Pine Green. Now with the white tongue, you guys can tell this is a grade school size. Let's get right into the box. First thing I'll go over is the label. So this is a grade school size 5Y, and this is how the tag looks for the GS sizes. Suggested retail is 120 USD. And then getting right into the box. So regular Jordan 1 box, white paper, little Jumpman comes with it. If you want to legit check your pairs, it should have this stamp up here next to the Nike logo. That's a good start. Alright, so these dropped earlier this week along with the Court Purple colorway. The purple one was the more sought after, but these are actually pretty popular as well. There were a lot of pairs, so I'm pretty surprised by the resale value, especially for the GS sizes. For this 5Y, they're going between $350 and $400, which is actually more than the men's sizes. But let's get into some of the details of the sneakers. So we have a black toe, and then we have like a green area on the actual toe box. And then here we have white, followed by again green on the heel cup. You guys better look at that. So the leather on them is pretty nice. It's not like the best Jordan 1 leather, but you know, I can't really complain about it. We have a black Air Jordan wing logo and a black sock liner. Let's get to the medial side of the sneaker. Once again, we have the black swoosh coming all the way around. So pretty much what Jordan brand is doing this year is they're getting like pretty much the same thing as switching the color on the toes and on like the heel tab and the wing area. And people are actually really digging it, and the prices just keep going up. Getting to the sole of the sneaker, we have an all green sole. And then the tongue on the men's sizes, it's black. On this one, it's a white tongue with the green Nike Air logo. Personally, I think it actually looks better with the white tongue, so I don't know why they did the men's one with a black tongue. This kind of goes well with this part of the sneaker, as you guys can see. Along with it comes green laces. On the actual pair, there's black already on it. I'd probably put the green ones if I were to wear them. Let's go look at another pair. Same thing with this pair. Quality on it is pretty good. Usually, you know, Nike does have a few flaws on them, but I can't find anything on this sneaker. So I've noticed that the grade school Jordans actually like have less defects than like the men ones. On the insole, we have Nike Air in green. And then the size, let's get into the size tag. So 5Y, made in China, production date is 5/2/18 to 7/2/18. If you guys want to legit check, there's another good way at it. Focus on the size tag. I did want the purple colorway, honestly, but I don't know how I won these rather than the men's sizes. But you know, I'm not gonna complain. I could just sell these and get the men's one. But overall, pretty cool. I like how they're bringing back these different colorways and adding some new colorways to the Jordan 1, and people are, you know, really buying into the hype. So expect the prices on these to go up. If you really want a pair, I would say buy one as soon as possible, because all the Jordan 1 prices skyrocket after a couple months. So I would give you guys an off feed of these, but obviously I'm not a size 5, so you guys have to go to another video for that one. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Pretty cool sneaker in hand. The green really does pop in hand. I didn't expect it to pop that much, but if you guys did like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. And thank you guys for watching.